Why does your scanner show the P305F engine code? What does it mean? P305F is a diagnostic trouble code for dual battery control module performance. The P305F engine code for indicate the engine control module, ECM, triggers the P305F code. It means the vehicle's computer has detected an issue or voltage discrepancy in the system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failing auxiliary battery. Weak or bad main battery. Corroded or loose terminals. Blown fuses or damaged wiring. Defective dual battery control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.